This reading is for those who are born between January to April. And if your birthday falls between the month of January to April, which means January, February, March, and April, this reading is for you. Let's see what the upcoming 2 to 3 weeks is in store for you. 2 to 3 weeks reading for January to April. 2 to 3 weeks for January to April. 2 to 3 weeks for January to April. 2 to 3 weeks for January to April, people. Okay. Okay. See, looking at the cards, one thing is very clear. Your approach has been very, very positive in the recent times. People born between January to April, January, February, March, and April, your approach has been very positive, but things have not been in your control. Now, what happens is there is a lot of ups and downs and downs and up. So you've been wanting to do something and something's just gone out of proportion, out of your control. You're not able to do that, whatever you're planning to do. So, which means that it's probably led you to some frustration. But why did I say that you are very positive mindset? Because your approach has been quite spiritual, or maybe, how you call religious, spiritual, thinking that there is a divine, thinking that there is a God. All those things have held you in a good space. But subconsciously, you have been hurt. And I'm still smiling at your hurt, because your strength is far more powerful than your pain, far more powerful. Okay, the power is much more about your strength, positivity. That is much more. You have been spending time with your loved ones, whoever that could be, friends, family, and all that, and trying to spread happiness around you, spread joy around you in spite of this. That's why I call you very positive. Yes, that's why I call you positive. See, whatever is inside, you're not showing it outside. What's going on inside, there is some kind of pain, hurt of things not going exactly how you want, be it in your career, be it in your personal life. And but around you, you will be spending a lot of money on yourself. So it could be your makeup, your beauty tips, or buying a dress to keep you happy, and you must and you should do it because you will be able to afford it. So it's not like, oh, I can't buy it and I don't want to buy it, and nothing like that, nothing doing. Okay, there is some celebration that you're awaiting, some celebration. Okay, and this celebration is just not happening the way it is. So you expect that if you're looking for a particular job or particular alliance or particular whatever is there in your target, okay, movement, you're thinking, oh, maybe I'll not be able to do it. And with the help of your mind, you'll be able to move forward really, really, really well. Okay, now when I'm telling you really well, that means you'll be able to have strength, courage, boldness, determination, everything possible that requires you to move from your current position to the future position. And that is so beautiful, because not for everybody that it's there. And I'm sure, suddenly see this card, it's definitely making you happy of whatever you're hearing right now. Okay, and the happiness is because of you, because you are very positive, you are hopeful, you are determined, you are not trying to be emotional in spite of hiding that hurt somewhere deep below your heart, not trying to show to everybody. Now, days and months to come, very important for all of us, and in weeks to come, you will follow your belief system. You're not going to give up. No ways you're going to give up. So are you directly getting it? You're getting closer, is all I can say. And very soon, see, the cards are so indicative about your success, because you will be getting what you want, or a good possibility of your achieving little or the complete goal. Okay, it might be a little progress. Wait for 3 weeks or so. That should be the timeline I would like to give you, most of you. Okay, because it's a general reading, it might or might not resonate with most of the people. For those people who have 2 date of births, okay, like in your regular date of birth there's something else, like you've changed your date of birth, so obviously the month also, suppose if it has changed, then watch both is what I would say. Watch both. Watch, suppose you're born in January in real sense, but in your official record is somewhere in the month of June, then watch the June one also, okay? And what you have to keep in mind for almost next 3 weeks is you have to, this says keep a place where you could, I've added this something new. What you can do for 3 weeks is, I feel, there's a place of worship that you have. So it could be your study table. It could be those of you are staying in hostels or outside PGs and all might not be having a prayer room or a prayer place. I would say a very neat and clean place. Manifest, write on the paper, fold it and keep it. Okay, keep it till your wish is not fulfilled, and every single day till your wish is getting fulfilled, read that how to write a wish or manifest. I'll be soon putting up a course on that. I'm sure many of you have written to me that you are interested in that, so I hope that once that course is live, so, and those of you who want to pick up a tarot course, learn tarot like me, can watch the course which is already available, okay? Because this course can allow you to make a livelihood out of it, earn money, fulfill your dreams. And it's not only about earn money. People are genuinely wanting to help others at the same time. This is your calling. Those who feel, please join this course. That course is very beautiful. For those of you, please leave it a comment, and I will get back to you. And also we'll leave a mail ID, and you can also contact me on Instagram. Okay, and all the best to all these 4 months people, January, February, March, okay, and April also, okay. All the best. People born between May to August, May, June, July, August, May, June, July, August, for you next 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks approximately, because this is a reading which is for the collective, so it may or may not resonate with you. If in case it does not resonate, please, if you have 2 date of births, in case it does not resonate, go to the next date of birth that you have. Suppose you're born in the month of June and it comes as, in your official record is August. Try and see August also. That might resonate with you, okay? For the collective, May to August. And here is the reading for you. Oh my. I can see what all you must be undergoing. Things ahead are far more better than what it has been in the past. Now, okay, see, look at it. This have been suddenly, this just dropped while I picked up your cards, and it talks about your past, and it talks about so much of tension and stress that you have been taking. The things have not been very clear to you in the past. So see what resonates for May to August people. You have been thinking a lot in the past of some future project or goal. So this project could be about your academics, about your job, about your love life. Situation has not been very clear to you. You do not understand what was happening to me, why it is happening. That made you very, very angry, and you walked away disappointed. Whatever did not work out for you. So this is not working. I'm very disappointed. So a relationship or a particular job or a particular situation or maybe a particular exam, who knows. Okay, now you are thinking about a future a lot. You are very, and the approach is not very, emotional. The approach is very positive, very practical, and you want to move ahead, but there is a lot of self-limiting belief, frustration whether you can do it or not, and this is causing a lot of anxiety because somewhere on the way you have lost the focus that you are a talented person, that you are very capable, and most importantly, because of your past little lack of success, this present one, you are a little shaky. But at the same time, this is only about your lack of confidence. Confidence, that is the key. Because you want to attain your goal, you want to achieve what you want to achieve, and in order to achieve that, it is very important that you need to build up the strength and courage. So you're trying to do the right thing. You're trying to be that person that you are, who is independent and going focused towards it. your goal is very high. That particular boy or that particular job or that particular life that you want in your life, your goal is very, very high. Dream is very big. And to achieve that dream, in the weeks to come, you will have some baby steps, a new beginning. See, this is a new beginning. And it will happen out of the blue. It will not happen with an announced thing. So it will happen all of a sudden. You will be able to, I would say, find out a lot about yourself with those baby steps. When those baby steps are coming, it is important that you look forward to it. Please look forward to the baby steps that you have. Do not be indecisive, or do not be thinking that, oh, this one is good or this one is not good. Anything that is coming your way in the recent weeks, please be a little more open-minded, because there is something in the pipeline, something new is there, some new opportunity it could be, some new news suddenly coming. So it's not like a planned thing that will come your way. Please be more open about it, okay? And while you're open about it, remember that being too stubborn might not help. So if something new than what it has come in the past comes your way, please do not ignore that, okay? Let me see one more thing. There will be a bit of stress when the new thing comes, okay? And when the new thing comes to you, remember, you will be taking time to move ahead. You'll be taking some time, because this new thing will remind you of something that has not happened in the past. And you think this new proposal, for whatever the proposal is, be it your personal life, professional life, or something new, you might think that this proposal is not very great, but please have a bigger look towards the whole thing, because whatever is coming up is actually very great. So it might be a baby step, but it will do you a lot good. Again, see, I didn't do it. I just was shuffling the cards, and again I see a beginning. So it's loud and clear whenever I'm picking up the cards. Yes, something is about to come. Yes, something is about to begin, and you should stay hopeful. So people born between May and August, May, June, July, August, please be hopeful for something new to happen. This could be baby steps, but then small steps make it a big leap, right? You cannot suddenly take a leap. What is a guidance that the self-care cards will tell you is spend more time in pleasure, in taking of yourself, in taking care of yourself. So it could be spending money on yourself, pampering yourself, in short. So pampering yourself really well. And when I say pampering, I do not mean that you are going to be like, oh, I'll not spend money or I'll not do that. Please pamper yourself, and that will do you a lot good. Nourish yourself, good food, good clothes, buying something and taking rest. So whatever your body and soul is asking, you give that. That makes it very short and very clear, right? Isn't it? And all the best to you. Those of you wanting to learn more about your manifestation, we are soon coming up with the manifestation course. We already have tarot reading course up. You can leave a message. If you are interested in knowing more about it, we'll get back to you about that. Learn it. It's a recorded course, complete course. Exactly like me and much better than me, you can also become. Okay? All the best. This is a reading for those born between September to December. September, October, November and December. Let's see what the cards say for those babies born between September to December. And here comes the babies, here comes the reading for next 2-3 weeks. I'm just picking it up. And you pray along with me. Manifestation really works. Hope you have manifested on 8th of August. Those who haven't, something new I'll bring up. Okay, now let me pick up more cards because there's some clarification that I need for your reading. Okay. Okay. Yes, big change coming. That's the first thing. Big change coming. Past life connection either already there in your life or will be coming. Okay, past life connection could be for your jobs, for your this thing, but some strong connection there coming. So it could be like you are about to move to some place, or you've entered already a new place, or anything, somewhere it can come, and a big change coming in related to some kind of a strong soul connection. So a big change, and there has been a lot of confusion in your mind in recent times about what you should be doing. So important decision you're taking. So maybe taking your relationship to next level. That's one thing which comes to my mind when I'm doing these cards. Second thing could be learning something new. Second, or it could be changing the status of your relationship. In relationship, taking the relationship to next level, whatever they are, whatever that is. Okay, so taking it more towards a commitment that you must have been really very confused about. That's number one. Number two is if you're thinking of changing a job or starting something new of your own, that is another possibility. And the third most possibility for students is making big changes. It talks about big changes, and big changes for that's already there in your mind. It's not like something big change will come. You have been thinking about big change to make or not make, and you will be progressing closer towards that. There's a lot of fear, but the past connection will definitely, somebody or some past connection. Past connection can be an old association or somebody who is from past birth, or some soul connection already there in your life. Any of the two, okay? And situation will become lot more, there will be lot more clarity. See, please understand, you're already getting a lot of attention from your new connection or the connection that is already existing, okay? And this connection is going to, there's a lot of love for this connection, but don't be upset and angry. Take time, be slow. Whatever you want to do, you do. There's no regret, because you are a very strong individual. You have been very well guided by, there have been angels, there have been goddesses. So if you were about to go wrong somewhere, universe has stopped you from doing that. So a lot of things have not happened. Like suppose somebody has just gone out of your life, or some new person has come. That's happened for the better. There's been lot of happiness with known people. So it could be friends, family, basically family. But you have been very maturely handling things, and you've been working very, very hard for whatever is the project or whatever the work that you're doing. You've been working very, very hard, and also at the same time you've been helping a lot of people. People born between September to December, you have been helping a lot of people, because you are an emotional person inside, but you're not sure them very being emotional, but you have been very helpful. And this help that you've provided to some of you might have provided this help to yourself, some of you might have provided to others, but you have been working meticulously, diligently, and very sincerely. Your work has happened, okay? You are currently in that stage where you don't want to get emotional about things. It's just like, let's not be emotional. Yes, already I want to be as practical. So you're behaving like a true boss. Now, what is a true boss? A true boss is a person who knows her or his mission, wants to achieve a lot, and at the same time puts, okay, emotions, let me put it at the back burner. I will think about the emotions later. Let me go ahead and look at only the practical side of it. There has been support. You will get abundant support from your seniors, okay? So people who are born between the month of September to December, again I repeat, you'll get support from people who are solid, kind of good at their work, okay? It could be senior people in your personal life, in your personal space, somebody, mother, father, uncle, aunt, somebody who's senior and has experienced personal life. Professional life, if this is resonating for your professional life, then it means your teachers, professors, or your senior colleagues, or your bosses who have put in your good word for you, or who want to help you, or who want to give you knowledge. And again, it sounds definitely very, very good, but your aim is to be the best that you can, and you do not want to be the second best. You definitely want to be just above everybody else. You want to be really best, and because you want to be better than everybody else, that is your dream goal. I should have more money than everybody else. I should have more marks than anybody else. I should have better relation than anybody else. And there's nothing wrong in that. But at the same time, appreciate the process. But when you are going through some kind of uncertainty, it's important that, go and look at little smaller goals, and not like, yes, I'm not denying the fact that you will finally reach there, because when a man or a man and a woman has made up his or her mind that I will go and do something, that's sure going to happen. But because the situation, see, suppose there's a job which is about to come to you, there is whatever is about to come to you, there's a confusion about that. And because there's a confusion about that, some big changes you have to make. So those changes might be uncomfortable changes. So you might have to accept proposals or do things which you are not very happy doing it, okay? But is it important? Will it make you successful? Yes, it will. Trust me, it will. It will make you successful. It will make you happy. It will keep you more, I would say something which will give you, you'll have to go and use your strength, okay? Strength and courage to go forward, because this is what the card indicates. Big change, old dying, new coming, with the help of something from the past, and a union of everything together. Your dreams, your desires. But you're moving closer, and I just love the approach that you will be having for next 3 weeks. I just love it. Maintain this approach, because it will not make you very emotional. At the same time, around the moon, so maybe around 18th to 20th kind of a time period, okay? Or whenever the moon energy is there, just be a little watchful for next 3 weeks. I mean to say the full moon and the new moon period. Be a watchful around that time, because emotions can play a havoc, and you might feel a little uncomfortable around that time because of the confusion in your present state. But after the moon goes, whenever you're watching it, you will have more clarity. So let this moon period go, and the clarity will be there for you. Very good reading for you. And if you want to learn a tarot like me, please leave a text, mail, or write to me on Instagram and learn the course. Very soon coming up with manifestation course, which many of you have been requesting. It will take me some time to come up with a very detailed course on how to manifest your best life. Okay, all the very best to you for next 3 weeks.